Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can speed up your PC. So first of all, what you could do is come below at the search bar, then type in Task Manager. Then open your Task Manager. In here under Processes, if you see some of the applications that are still running when you're not using them, if any applications you are using, you will see it under your taskbar. If you see something that is running even though you're not using them, you're going to have to right click onto it, select End Task. Now, once done, select Startup Applications under Startup Apps. Now at this section, make sure that something that you're not using is disabled. For example, if you're not using, let's say, Copilot, and under Startup Application, these are all just applications that will automatically start once you restart or simply start your PC. So you're going to have to simply disable them. If you do that, your PC will run much faster. Now close all the applications, like disable them. If you don't need them, select Disable. Once you do that, what you could try next is press Windows and R. Here type in %local app data % and enter. Now click on anywhere, then type in D. You will see temp folder. Double click onto it, select everything that you can and delete them. These are all temporary folders. They will auto-generate themselves. So delete everything that you can, and for those who you cannot delete, you may go ahead and leave them. Now go ahead, restart your PC, and it will make your PC much faster. Thank you for watching.